that's his favorite. This is also my favorite. I want to try it. Thank you, Mom and Dad. So now it's broke. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for today's special offer. French cheese. It's really yummy. But we need to clean it because it's almost gonna. Because we need to. So it's a plastic bag. Okay. My brother will help me. Because it's so messy, the oil cake. This is quite big for me either. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Last is the small box. Oh, Adele, can you help me to open this plastic? This is me. Adele, help me to open the plastic. We need some knives. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for the new shirt and t-shirt. Then my favorite game is always Monopoly. Ooh, what is this? Whoa! It's our monster Rocky. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Maybe it's for Sabona. I'm gonna pop this up. Oh my gosh! Another paper bag! Plastic with some wood! My Mom and Dad always cover. With some nice paper bags. You know what's this? What? This one! Oh! My brother found a new pack! Maybe kind of something. I don't know what is it. So thank you for the kind of like this one. That's Thank you, Master. That's not What's that? So you for this. It's nice. This. Thank you for the Dynamix chocolate wafers. It's quite gorgeous. And also Oreo cake again. And then some pictures. Thank you for fine for Darian. That's 34. Oh, this is for cooking. Hey, this one. What's this? We have disposable masks again. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for all of the
What's
things.
this?
Easter.
Snowy talk. Snowy talk.
So, I'm gonna open again. Wait for a moment. I was getting something. Creamica. It's really yummy. It's cream mellow. It's really yummy. It's on really yummy because it's on strawberry flavor biscuit. Like this. It's really yummy.
And this is
So this is tea, but I don't know. It's a Alocozay. But I do not like teas.
but with some Chips Ahoy.
It's Chips Ahoy. So, it's Dynamix strawberry wafers.
My favorite Chips Ahoy.
That's my favorite.
This one is this.
It's called Yum Treats.
And what's that this? This strawberry.
So, wow, I was waiting for. It's lotus bread. It's the spread of lotus. It's really yummy. This is what I'm waiting for. Spread.
That's a chocolate.
Quite heavy. Thank you, Mom and Dad, because I really love you so much.
Ooh, skeleton sandal.
See, sandal. Thank you, Mom and Dad.
But with some so heavy.
Oh, jeez. Oh, what?
What's a spray?
Wait for a moment.
Cocoa chips. That's a lot of things. What are you eating? Some paper bags again.
So this one, it's still safe. Dynamix chocolate wafers. It's really
Then
yummy.
this is the same again.
Same again. So it's strawberry and chocolate. It's really yummy. I will not never know this
And
one.
then
It's really
this is-
tasty. So this is macaroni. Maybe this one is macaroni.
Maybe. And plastic bag.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Now what is next? Kaya more secret.
So this is Quaker biscuits. It's really yummy. Thank you, Mom and Dad. There's another pack of lettuce. Oh, it's Cortez lettuce spread. Oh,
Another Oreo cake.
it's really yummy. I want to taste it very much. Whoa, this is the large pack of milk biscuits. It's really yummy. It's perfect milk biscuits. It's really yum. So this is Thomas and Friends Minis. This is my brother's favorite. It's a lot of characters you need to collect.
Yes.
So this is Quaker's biscuits. It's
Then I
really
need to
yummy.
play that in morning. I'm gonna play in morning this one.
You
The Thomas the Mini.
So thank you again for new briefs.
Boxer.
Boxers. Maybe this is new.
And another
I got it
yellow
from Mommy
containers.
It's yellow containers. You can put them in. Whoa! This is a tennis. You can use it for sports when you're
Badminton.
already. So you can use this one when you're doing badminton.
And then a face
tennis.
mask again.
That's a pack. That's my. Thank you for a new T-shirt again.
That's for girls.
Maybe this is T-shirt.
Let's see what it
Thank
is.
you, Dad and Mom.
Oh my god. The Oreo
Whoa, it's large. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for large T-shirts.
And then I don't know what's this. Oh my gosh, so heavy.
Like
This.
what's this?
A cell phone?
It's not a cell phone. Let me figure it out. Let's figure it out. It's what's this?
No, don't do that.
Okay. It's electronics and more.
Then
Thank you for lettuce again. Bread spread.
Then this is Jolly
This
Time.
is 4 times.
This is Jolly Time.
Oh, thank you for the other macaroni again.
Thank you for the.
So I'm here.
I'm in.
So
Wait
we're
a minute.
going to close this
We're gonna close this.
Why?
because we're done doing it.
Next, a short box. So we're
Because
gonna
it's
close
quite hard to find something because it's really big. It's long centimeters. It's almost 1 million. It's already 300K.
That works by Thomas Mini.
Okay.
Wait
Why
a
you want to play it tomorrow?
I want Thomas Mini.
So another lotus spread made from here. My mom and dad buy this one on Dubai.
And then another shirt. This is something more. And then
Thank you, Dad and Mom, for popcorn. For the popcorn, new popcorns.
oh my gosh, so very heavy. I got the largest.
It's a popcorn movie star.
What's this?
Oh, thanks for the new T-shirt for wheels.
I love it. Great.
So new chips are holy. Oh, another yum creams.
This is a soup.
Maybe. This is a. I don't know what is this one.
Oh, a Crayola. Crayola.
We have new Crayola colored pencils. It has a lot of colors that you may use.
Oh my gosh.
Because it's on colored paper.
And then this is the soap again. This nice one. And then this is
So another Quakers of biscuits. Another Quakers of biscuits. It's again.
another.
So this is Jolly Time. It's butter.
Wow! My
What
favorite train station.
That's my brother's favorite time, all time. So now this
get
is another biscuit Quakers.
My favorite train station. Thank you to my train station.
Thank you, Mom and Dad, for the Quakers of old biscuits.
Oh, I love the train stations.
I cannot reach it anymore.
Thomas!
Thank you for the T-shirt. What's this one?
My favorite.
What
That's
did
a
you
lot
want this
of.
one?
That's a lot
Let's
of
see its
minis.
T-shirt.
That's a lot of minis when I get characters. That's my letter train. And then I'm gonna up it.
Here. Oh, that's 9 times mini train.
Yes,
It's Thomas. We already got what's that? 6 collection.
I got 3 collections with one Thomas.
But Gel, can you help me? Can you help me to reach the perfume? I already reached the perfume. So this is the red perfume, Mango Dragon Fruit. It's Mango Dragon Fruit.
A Kinder
Whoa.
Surprise.
I want that one.
A Kinder Surprise.
Let's open this one next time. Let's eat the chocolate. Thank you for other riffs.
Ooh.
Because we already have like this one.
Skizzy.
Oh, that's my favorite.
And my
This is
favorite.
rainbow candy. It's fruits.
My
Special prize. It's double the skills.
I want
Not
Mickey
my favorite, no.
Mouse.
This is my favorite Skittles. Skittles, 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 Skittles,
My
Skittles.
favorite. This is
So this is Monopoly Gamer.
and this
It's Mario.
and Black Ops.
You need to get a lot of coins you need so that you can go to other places.
And then Black Ops. When you get a Black Ops, oh my gosh. I did all stamp the paper black.
So this is Hobnobs.
And then a
It's
charger.
Nibbles. It's Nibbles like spear.
I'm gonna play a lot of trains in the morning. Train.
Oh, thank you for the new. Thank you for the new toothpaste because it's Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection with calcium
Kinder
for
Surprise.
protection of tooth.
And Happy Ones. And Ones.
I will not read this one. This is original chocolate chip chocolate cookies.
What's this? What's this?
Made with Hershey chocolate chips. It's really yummy! Hershey chocolate chips!
Oh my gosh, I don't remember it.
Oh, thank you for new Oreo.
My favorite.
Plus 2. It's the yum packets. Gracias!
What's this? Let's see what's that.
Bloody Gel, can you help me this one, Ate Jen? I don't know. It's fine.
Thank you for the dairy milk.
Thank you for new Felix the cat. Because I saw it when I watched. I will not reach this one. Ooh, thank you for new Oreo. Another Oreo pack.
I know how to read it because I don't read into the box.
Oh no, I will not reach this one.
Oh my god, sorry, I just jumped by the thing. Oh, that's my...
Oh, it's a lots of mini packs of Oreo.
That's my Oreo.
Oh, it's really a lot of Oreos. Oh,
Ooh, another shit.
oh my God, it's berries.
That's Ella. Oh, this is Bobby Plug.
But this temperature was really sensitive.
That's a lot of Mario, what I
There's
did.
a lot of. So bye.
Bye.
See you for the next vlog. Like, subscribe, and share. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. See you later. Subscribe and your
Bye.
button and your bell. Our vlog.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Last one. For last one, it's orange very good.
And another one last chip.
Bye.
See you later for the next vlog.
See you next time.
Bye.
There's a lot more.